Hey friends, I'm Casey Lama. Welcome back to the channel, where we plan with intention, write with purpose, and follow through one step at a time. So today I wanted to try to spruce up my Filofax that I bought a while ago. So I have my cutter if I need it, my hole punch, and then I found this today. This is an Erin Condren bookmark, so I thought I would use it. And then also found these sticky notes that are clear, transparent. And then I have a lot of this cardstock. So this is a Simply Gilded, Simply Gilded, Simply Gilded. This is Erin Condren. This is Jane's Agenda. I don't remember where this came from. This is Jane's Agenda. This is Lauren Phelps Design, Lauren Phelps Designs, Jane's Agenda. This is London Gifties. Okay, so I've got those, and I just want to play in here. I managed to put some Erin Condren comment cards. I can't get it out to show you, but they're these where you write something, and I forgot what they're exactly called, but I put that in there. And then I did set this up with pretty much everything that I got for Filofax. So I have my dividers that I bought, and then I did test out some printing from Paper Test Designs Etsy shop. I thought this weekly would look really good, but for some reason my sizing, this one printed in the right order but was sized wrong. This one is sized correctly but printed in the wrong order. So I'm not sure what I did, but I will figure that out later. And then I just have my Filofax papers here. Some blank pages, and then this is where I have been. So I've just been using it to kind of jot down things I need to do at work. So we're just gonna go to, this is next week. And so I thought I might put in something like one of these, like this. Not even sure really. Like this one's pretty. These are kind of wintry, so I don't really want those. That's autumn. I have a bunny. I don't really like the dessert one, so I guess I'm going with these. So we're just going to stick this in, and I think I have it set correctly. Yes. That one. I really don't have like that much that I need to do in this planner. I do probably need to take some of this stuff out. Help. That hurt. Yeah, I don't like that. I do need to take some stuff out. I'm not sure what I want to take out. Yeah, I'm not sure. I do not like that. Maybe I'll switch these so they overlap. And then I really don't need this today because I have this. That's bothering me. I don't know why I didn't cut off this. Nope. Well, I'm already cutting off the other side, so yeah, I don't know why I didn't do that, but we'll just put that there and then maybe put the pinch behind it. And then I do have this pocket back here. Do these fit in there? No. And then I guess I can put it like that on both sides. And I'm just gonna throw that in there. Maybe I'll use it. Oh. I could put these there to hold it. Okay. I really don't know what I'm doing with this. Honestly, I've enjoyed, I just think I needed something for work, and so this was, I don't necessarily need weekly spreads. I could just use like these to-dos, which would be fine, but I don't know. I have enjoyed, I haven't used this a lot, but I used it this week and this week. Eventually, like, I was sick these 2 weeks, so that's why I didn't use it that week. And then I didn't use it this week, and then I came back this week, so I don't know. But now this is pretty to look at. Nothing on this side though. Maybe I should have put something on this side too. Oh well. Anyway, this was my Filofax that I've been using for work. Now I just need to find a pen that I want to use. I've been using my pen at work, so maybe I will just use that. But like I said, this is an experiment. I'm just testing it out, testing the waters. I didn't really like putting my work stuff in my personal planner, so this is what I'm doing. So I know this is a very short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any comments for me, please put them down below. I would love to answer your comments. But thanks for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video and want more writing, planning, and productivity content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Really love to have you here. So stay creative, stay cozy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.